Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove a Gmail account from an Android phone. Sometimes, users may face synchronization issues with their Gmail account on their Android device. Removing and re-adding the account can help resolve syncing problems and ensure that emails, contacts, and other data are up to date. The first method involves going to your Gmail application. Open the app, click on the profile icon, and select Manage Accounts on this device. Under the Google section, choose the account you want to remove. Then click on the three dots for more options, and you will find the Remove Account option. Clicking on this will permanently remove the selected Gmail account from your phone. If the first method doesn't work, the second method involves going to your phone settings. Now navigate to the settings and search for Google Account. Click on Google Account and Sync or a similar option depending on your device. Then select the Google account you want to remove and click on the three dots for more options from your Android phone. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.